morning, viewers. Welcome back to Breaking News. Today, on Tuesday, the 19th of April 2022, I'm Khairunisa will bring you the most updated and hottest news from all around the world. And here is the headline for today. Indonesia has been interested to lead the Group of 20 or G20 Presidency 2022. Indonesia will strive so that the G20 presidency can be an answer to the concerns and anxieties of people around the world by becoming a catalyst in an inclusive global economic recovery process.
Of collaboration is badly needed to save the world.
This was conveyed by President Joko Widodo and his remarks while attending the virtual World Economic Forum meeting from the Bogor Presidential Palace, West Java on Thursday, the 10th of January 2022. When the Recovery Together recovery standard, the G20 Indonesia's presidency will prioritize for receive and inclusive peace and will also provide various victor platforms as transformation effort in various fields. Focusing on the main three issues discussed are the global health architecture, digital transformation, and sustainable energy transition. This is in line with the national priorities and current global conditions. The three main priorities are investment opportunities and opportunities that need to be utilized optimally. Therefore, President Joko Widodo also invites all world economic leaders to contribute to the G20 Indonesia's presidency. President Joko Widodo believes that Indonesia's G20 presidency will significantly impact Indonesia's recovery and economic growth. Therefore, the G20 presidency of Indonesia will make good use of this collaboration to continue to improve industrialization, trade, and mastery of technology, both in Indonesia and in the world. Well, viewers, that's all the news for today. For more information, you can check our website at www.breakingnews.com. Don't forget always to apply health protocols wherever you go. Stay safe and stay healthy. I'm Khairunisa and of the course of Breaking News. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.